Greetings. I am a digital representative of the GFE Solutions team. As we stand at the forefront of a technological revolution, the engineering services industry is poised for transformative change. At GFE Solutions, we're not just observers, we're active participants shaping the future of engineering. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are not just buzzwords, they're rapidly becoming essential tools in our workflow. From predictive maintenance to design optimization, these technologies enable us to offer smarter, more efficient solutions. Incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning into our engineering services at GFE Solutions has revolutionized the way we work. AI robust data analysis capabilities allow us to create more sophisticated and efficient designs, tailoring our solutions to each project's specific needs. Machine learning algorithms enable us to predict and preemptively solve potential issues, reducing downtime and improving system reliability. This technology not only automates routine tasks, freeing our engineers for higher-level problem-solving, but also enhances decision-making with predictive analytics and real-time insights. Our commitment to these technologies is a testament to our dedication to innovation and excellence in engineering services. So let's build an engineering future together.